In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Princeton University. If you're planning to apply as a first-year student, the main place to begin is Princeton's official admissions website, where you'll find the apply section and the full application checklist. Princeton uses the Common Application, so your process starts there, along with Princeton-specific questions and required supplemental materials. Before filling anything out, it's a good idea to understand that Princeton has a highly selective and holistic admissions process, which means your grades, course rigor, writing, recommendations, and extracurricular involvement all matter. One of the first decisions you'll need to make is which application round you want to use. Princeton offers single choice, early action, and regular decision. Single choice early action is non-binding, so you're not committed to attend if admitted, but it does come with restrictions. If you choose that route, you generally cannot apply early to other private universities. Regular decision follows the standard admissions timeline and gives you more time to prepare your application. Next, make sure you understand all required application materials. You'll need to complete the Common Application and answer Princeton-specific questions, including essays that help showcase your academic interests and personal voice. You'll also need to submit the application fee, which is $75. Unless you qualify for a fee waiver, your high school counselor will need to send official transcripts and the school report. Princeton also asks for 2 teacher recommendations, ideally from teachers in advanced junior or senior level classes, plus 1 counselor recommendation. Another important requirement is a graded written paper. This should be a recent paper from a class, and subjects like English or history are typically a strong fit. Standardized testing is also required, so be prepared to submit SAT or ACT scores. If English is not your native language, or it is not the main language of instruction at your school, you may also need to provide an English proficiency test. Be especially careful with deadlines because missing one can delay or even disqualify your application. For single choice early action, the application is due November 1st, financial aid materials are due November 9th, and decisions are usually released in mid-December. For regular decision, the application deadline is January 1st, financial aid materials are due February 1st, and decisions typically come out in late March. Finally, if you're concerned about cost, Princeton is well known for generous financial aid. The university replaces loans with grants and awards aid based entirely on demonstrated financial need. This policy applies in a need-blind way for both US and international applicants. If you're applying from outside the United States, you'll follow the same common application process. You don't need specialized AP or IB exams specifically, but you should present the most rigorous academic program available to you and submit English proficiency scores if required.